Hello everyone, welcome to Castlemaine, a place where history, creativity, and nature come together in the most beautiful way. Today, we are exploring two of its most treasured gems, the Castlemaine Botanic Gardens and the Castlemaine Art Museum. First, we'll wander through the Botanic Gardens, originally established in the 1860s. With its grand oak trees, peaceful walking paths, and charming ornamental lake, this garden is more than just a park. It's a living snapshot of Castlemaine's heritage. Keep an eye out for native bird life, historic plantings, and some seriously Insta-worthy picnic spots. Then, just a short stroll away, we'll step inside the Castlemaine Art Museum, one of Australia's oldest regional galleries. Here, art and history collide, showcasing everything from contemporary local artists to important collections that tell the story of this region's goldfields past. Whether you're an art lover, history buff, or simply curious, there's something here that will inspire you. So grab your comfy shoes and let's go exploring. This is Castlemaine, where nature and creativity thrive side by side. Nestled in the historic goldfields town of Castlemaine, the Castlemaine Botanic Gardens are a peaceful oasis full of charm, heritage, and natural beauty. Whether you're here for a relaxing stroll, a family day out, or simply to unwind surrounded by nature, the gardens offer something special in every season. Look out for the impressive oak and elm trees brought in during the 19th century, local bird life that makes the lake its home, and the stunning bursts of autumn color that make this place truly unforgettable. At the heart of the Castlemaine Botanic Gardens is a quiet, reflective lake, a favorite spot for both visitors and local wildlife. The calm water, framed by tall shade trees, creates a perfect environment for a variety of duck species who have made this place their home. You'll often see Pacific black ducks gliding along the surface, their soft brown feathers blending beautifully with the reflections of the trees. Wood ducks, with their elegant markings, often stroll along the grassy edges in pairs. And keep an eye out for the occasional domestic ducks and geese that have settled in over the years, adding plenty of personality and charm to the scene. From gentle ripples in the water to the soft croaking and waddling along the banks, the lake brings a peaceful rhythm to the gardens. It's a lovely spot to pose, watch the birds, and enjoy simple beauty of nature going about its day. Just across from the Castlemaine Art Museum stands one of the town's most recognizable historic landmarks, a beautifully preserved 19th century bluestone church. Located in the heart of Castlemaine, the Castlemaine Art Museum is one of Australia's oldest and most respected regional galleries. Established in 1913, the museum blends art and history, showcasing works that reflect both the region's cultural heritage and strong contemporary creative community. Inside, you'll find an impressive collection of Australian paintings, sculptures, and ceramics, alongside carefully curated historical displays that highlight the stories of the Victorian goldfields. The museum regularly features exhibitions from local and national artists, making every visit a unique experience. Downstairs, the museum reveals an intimate and beautifully presented display that highlights the everyday life and craftsmanship of earlier generations. Here, you'll find a fascinating collection of historical costumes, accessories, and finely crafted ceramics, each piece carefully preserved to tell a story of style, culture, and life in the Victorian goldfields era. Nearby ceramic collection displays handmade pottery and decorative pieces, showing off the artistry and skill of local makers from the region's past. Many items are rich with texture, unique glazes, and subtle design details that reflect both European influence and Australian materials. The costumes showcase how people dressed for work, celebration, and daily living, from elegant gowns with delicate stitching to sturdy garments made for practical life. Each piece feels like a glimpse into another time. This downstairs space offers a gentle, quiet moment in the museum, a chance to connect with the personal, domestic, and artistic history of Castlemaine through objects that people touched, used, and cherished. Thank you for joining me on this little journey through Castlemaine's gardens, lake, and art museum. I hope it inspires you to come and explore this beautiful town for yourself. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.